going to our room. Tapos na kaming nag-coffee. And meron kaming na-meet na mga Australian. Sobrang ganda. Ang bait nila, day. And then, they're very talkative. Yung bang feelings na? Letter A, Annie. Thank you. Welcome to our new villa. Yay! Hi, sir.
Private pool?
Private pool for the luxury wine. Can you give me a tour? Ayan, meron na tayong kusina. Private table. And uy, grabe ang lamig. Naka-full ang aircon. And the room. Patayin natin yung aircon kasi naka-full. Welcome to Ladera Villa. So we're gonna stay here for 3 days. And the price is gonna be 1 million per day with a private swimming pool and kitchen and include breakfast. So yeah, enjoy the day, my love.
Come on, it's a calypso. Nice. But they put this.
And this is the toilet.
And
Hello mga Zay! Ayan, meron tayong food dito na kahapon na leftover namin kagabi sa Mexican restaurant. So since ano ko na ngayon, medication time, i-check ko kung hopefully okay pa ito. Sa tapos kainin ko muna to, tapos si mamaya pa yan si Mr. Okay pa nang dahil siya doon. Ano bang spoon? Kaon sa ako katara. Makain muna ako. So, hindi pa ako nakatapos sa aking trabaho. And then gumaan ni swim tayo doon. I mean, hindi siya as in mag-saglit lang. Try natin kung hindi ba malamig. And si Mr. nag-ano siya, nag-walking. And tayo lang dito ngayon sa room. Kalimutan ko pa naman. Dinala niya yung phone niya, day. Kalimutan kong mag-ano sa kanya, magpabili ng drinks. Baka may signal siya. Prep na ko sa aking itong arms ko para makaswim tayo. Lagyan natin ito. Ligo ng isa, day. Andyan ng isa. Ay! Siya mo ba? Ito yung pinaka, ano ko talaga. Yung pinaka taas na gagawin ko sa aking arms. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nagliligo ng swimming pool kaya kailangan ko pa siyang i-wrap. Okay naman actually, hindi ko siya i-rough. Pero for safety lang, na di siya masudlan og tubig. Alam niyo na, sakit kaayo dahil basta mag-move, no? Move na punta. So deep? How deep?
It's too high. What are you doing?
It's following with us.
Only horizontal.
It's following. Hello, my love is so deep. Go to the other side. It's clapping with me. Abby, I have to move the camera that side. Ay, makakatulukad. Put me up.
Yes, I put you up.
My love, far away. My head is cut. Murag ako yung kapoy dahil ako yung napapagod sa kanya. Hola! Buenos dias! Good morning, people! Ayan. Nag-order kami ng breakfast. Dito tayo mag-breakfast sa labas. I mean sa room. And... Ay. Uy, blue sky. Nice weather. Okay lang siya. Baka pwede tayong mag-ano mamaya. Pwede tayong magpasyal. Hopefully, hindi uulan. Anong oras na ako natulog mga Auntie Kels? Alas 11 na. Sobrang tagal kong natulog. Kay nagmarites. Nagmarites sa mga Jumegas Europa. Mga oras perting lahi na kayo. So, ayan, nandito na yung breakfast namin. Good morning, sir. Breakfast in Valle, Indonesia. Dito kami sa labas nagkain. Ayan. Pancake and omelette. Meron siyang cereal. Hello! Ayan, lalabas tayo bili tayo ng drinks at saka some coffee. No. Labas tayo mga Auntie Kels, bili tayo ng drinks at saka juice. And bumili kasi si Mr. ng sabon. So, hindi siya nakabili ng drinks. So, let's go! Then gusto din niyang kumain ng pizza. You have the key? Let's get loud. Let's get loud. For the this one. Ang init today, day. Hindi pa ako nakalaba. Tignan nyo, sobrang luscious dito, oh. It's very nice. Yung room namin, Uy, naka-matchy-matchy lagi ta. We are the same. Why you the same with me?
Oh, because I like to associate with you.
Sama ni siya. How far is the supermarket?
It's way too far for you. You will need an airplane to go there
You're so bad.
or a helicopter.
Hello. Hello.
Cement.
I think it's not so far.
He's hungry.
Where is it? Okay. Pasyalan dito, oh. Where is it? Naghanap man ni siya ng pizza good. Ang butaan niya. Anong nag-crave ni siya pizza. Sino kaya ang buntis sa aming dalawa? Pastilan dolor. Mauning guardian. Ano mga Auntie Kills guardian? Guardian angel. Ay, ganahan ko itong orange, oh. Ay. Hello.
You can choose where you are sitting here.
Is he far from the road?
Nahiya sila, day. So, ayan, nandito na yung pizza namin. Nag-order na siya, day. Gutom. Gutom man yung kauban, oy. Gutom ka, Col. Kaon kay wa kay mama. Kaon kay wa kay mama.
Pizza caramba.
Imagine na ninyo, nagpizza kami udtong tutok na dapat coffee time karon. It's coffee time, you know. I think you're really craving. Let's see. Taste it. How it is. That was good. Very tasty. Ano na, sila salami. Ano sila salami diri dahil? Good.
Excuse me, Sprite, please.
You just got 2 new customers. We'll be back.
Dankeschön. It was really good. It's really good, Dai. Hi! We are finally back. Nilinis pala nila yung kwarto at saka yung kusina. Nilinis nila yung kusina dahil ako sana yung maglinis. Pero okay lang. Ay! At least nilinis nila.
You're where I belong.